Okay, so number 3 here, well, this might have caught a loadie. So if we look at number 3 here, they've given you the inputs upside down. They've given you the inputs upside down. So if you work from the bottom up, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So just even before I do anything with the answers or anything like that, if I go on here to number 2, be careful, the inputs are reversed. So if I write this in reverse now, it might help me understand what's going out a bit easier. 0, 0, and you got an output of 1. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So I wrote it out in a sequence that would make a lot more sense to me. Okay? Make a lot more sense to me. So the logic gate that produces this output is what's known as the NAND gate. And I went and showed you this here, that if I did the following. Input 1, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So the rule for an AND gate is that if both inputs are true, the output is true. Otherwise, you get false. And then I showed you the NOT of that, which is the NAND gate, not AND, NAND for short. Reverse them, input 1, input 0, output 1, input 0, output 1, input 0, output 1. And here again, input 1, output 0. So that is known as the NAND gate. And that's the question you're asked there. What type of gate is this? Some of you might get really good at these and recognize that that is the NAND gate there.